just a minute. That's all it takes to reach one of the calmest beaches around with great beach bars and that laid-back vibe everyone is looking for. Let's discover this beautiful house in Costabella. Panoramic views, big spaces, sea air, and slow mornings. Come for a perfect summer holidays or book a visit to stay forever. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next property tour.